guys, welcome to my channel. Now, wrinkles, fine lines, mouth wrinkles, parentheses. As you can clearly see, I do not have deep parentheses, nor do I have a lot of wrinkles on fine lines. Now, I know you're all gonna be like, oh, you don't get wrinkles on fine lines because of your skin color. No, my skin color have nothing to do with it. I take care of me. Go and get somebody that look like me, put them beside me, who don't take care of themselves, and you're gonna see a huge difference. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you what I use on my skin, this wonderful little serum that I have that I use to get rid of my wrinkles and fine lines, not only on my face but also on my hands. So if you're interested, if you're looking to get rid of wrinkles, if you're over 40 and you want to look younger, you want to look fresher, you want to look radiant, this serum is for you. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using some shea butter. And this is pure shea butter. I'm also going to be using some rosehip oil, and you need to use 100% pure rosehip oil. I'm going to be using some vitamin E oil and some vitamin A oil. Now to put this together, the first thing you need to do is to melt the shea butter. And I'm only going to use about a half an ounce of shea butter. You do not need to make a lot. However, if you're making to share, go ahead and use 1 ounce of shea butter. So I'm going to cut this piece, which is about an ounce. And this is about a half an ounce of shea butter. Now, if you have a double broiler, go ahead and use it to melt the shea butter. If not, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to melt the shea butter. You're going to take a bowl. You're going to put the bowl in it with your shea butter. And then you're going to pour hot water in the outer bowl. And you're going to leave it there. And this is going to melt your shea butter. You can also choose to melt the shea butter on the stove with the water boiling, which is going to melt it a little faster. So now that our shea butter has melted, be careful, it's going to be very hot. We're first going to add our rosehip oil to our shea butter. As a matter of fact, let me measure the shea butter for you. I think this is better. All right, so I'm going to measure it for you to see the amount and now that it's melted. So here I have 1 tablespoon, and I'm hoping to get 2 tablespoons from this. Perfect. So we have 2 tablespoons of melted shea butter. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil. Now, if you have 800 IU vitamin E oil, go ahead and use 1 teaspoon. I'm using a very concentrated vitamin E oil, so for mine, I'm only going to use a few drops.
So moving on to our vitamin A, and this is 4 capsules, and these are 8,000 IU. Get the oil from the capsule. I'm just going to use a pin. Make sure the pin is sterilized. Stick it and just squeeze. Now vitamin A is very strong, so always mix the vitamin A with a carrier oil. And I know a lot of you are saying you do not see the vitamin A. It's a little hard to get. After adding our vitamin A, we're going to mix this. And you really want to whisk this since the shea butter is on the heavier side. So don't be afraid to whisk it properly, okay? Now with this treatment, you need to store it in a bottle that have an open mouth since it's going to go back to solid in a few hours, okay? Now look at my bottle. You could clearly see the mouth is wide open. So you're going to find something that you can open so you could actually dig in to take it out because it's going to go back to solid. And you're going to store it in a container. To use this, you want to apply this on your skin every night before you go to bed. And in the morning, you are going to amaze to see how bright and glowing, moisturized, hydrated your skin is. Let me show you how to use this. Now here is the cream. You can take a look at it and you can see it's a little much thicker because it's now cooled. Now you want to take a little bit, not a lot, just dig your finger in it. And this amount is good. This is not a lot. And remember, you're going to apply this to clean skin for best result. So you're going to wash your face. You're going to exfoliate like you normally do. And then you're going to pat dry. And next, you're going to apply this to the skin. Just dab it on. Just spread it out. Dab it on. Spread it out. And once you spread it all around, the leftover, you're going to just massage the fingertip. And then you're going to press it on the skin, okay? So you're just going to press this on the skin. Just keep pressing for about a minute. And pressing it the way I am doing is actually also helping with circulation. And this is okay to go all the way under the eyes. Don't forget to press it in on the side right here where you tend to have a lot of fine lines and wrinkles. And if you have deep parentheses, which is your mouth wrinkles, you want to make sure to press, hold, and release. Press, hold, and release. Now you want to use this treatment at least once every day on clean skin for best result. Before you know it, you are gonna look amazing. Now please remember, clean skin is what works best with this treatment. Now a little goes a long way, and believe it or not, this amount can last you well up to 6 weeks. No need to refrigerate. Just keep this where you have your other cosmetics, and don't forget to use this every single day. So you're going to use this once or twice per day. However, this is best used at night. Okay, guys? Shea butter aids in the skin natural collagen production and contain alleelic, palmitic, and linoleic acid that protects and nourishes the skin to prevent drying. With long-term use, it will soften and strengthen as well as reduce wrinkles on the skin. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil prevents the formation of wrinkles by blocking free radical damage. It treats wrinkles by boosting collagen production, a connective tissue that keeps skin elastic. Vitamin E oil also treats wrinkles by supporting new cell growth, speeding up cell regeneration. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is packed with natural beauty essential like anti-inflammatory fatty acids and vitamin A and C. Rosehip oil helps to treat signs of aging and pigmentation. It hydrates skin, repair damaged skin, and provide a strong protective antioxidant boost.
So there you have it. Run, 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 run. Go and make this for yourself. So come back and comment and let me know, because I know it's going to work wonderful for you. Leave your comment there. And if this was the first time watching, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you all. I love you guys. Be good to you. Take care of you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.